I'm going to video the engine compartment here. Looks to have the correct style battery. Good. Horn, correct deep beep horn there. I think this is the correct radiator, the 054. See, the jams all look good. Engine panels look good. Looks to have the correct distributor. An alternator here. Carburetors are nicely finished. So there's the number on the front carburetor and date code right there. This is the center carb here. And then the rear. Those are correct date codes and list numbers for those carburetors. Back of the engine and firewall there. Got the correct date coded plug wires. Show this side of the carburetors here. Okay. Looks like the correct date code on the wiper motor there. The tag here, fender tag here, is kind of hard to read. They've kind of piled a lot of paint on there, but it can be deciphered. And I'll show the VIN tag here.